Ritik. Good evening. Good evening. Doing good. Good evening, Bhavani. Ma'am, you made. Thank you, Ritik. Thank you. Good evening, Sheetal. Actually, we have more in Indian logic. That is basic. So, if we understand that basic, we can learn the next step. Yeah. Good evening, Maithili, Madhumita. Good evening. Very good evening. Nimisha, Ajay, good evening. Ammu Satya, good evening. Dipti, good evening. Good evening, Gomati. KJB, Parkavi, good evening. Vinil Kumar, good evening. Good evening, good evening. I had my dinner, or else I will not have energy. I had my dinner. Have you all had? Is my voice clear, or are you getting any kind of noise? Extra noise is there. Okay, this is nothing but my fan. Okay, I will make it. Now it's okay? Yes, Ritik. Now it's okay, I think so. It's okay? Now clear? Yes, okay, very good. Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am, rotis. Good, Yamni. Now is there any noise? Yes, it's off. Now you have the noise? Now is it okay? Yes, okay, perfect. Yes, right. Okay, very good. So, shall we start today's class? So, as I told you yesterday, we'll be looking of 1DI and all the concepts that we discussed in this week. This is what we are going to do today. Okay, right. So, we'll be, yes. So, I'm sorry. Right. So, we will get into the concept. Yes. So, today we are going to see a DI. This DI is being from the June 2023 DI. It's not right. This is a DI taken from June 2023. So let's start doing this DI. Note down the question, note down the table so that we can do with the question. Yes, please do like. Yes, note down the question so that we can start doing the DI first. Note down the time, how much time you are taking it to complete the DI. Okay. Hence, I think we are practicing, so we'll be doing a bit fast. Yes. Is it visible? I want to zoom. I think I don't need. You put it in the landscape mode so that it will be easy. Yeah. Those who are new to the channel, please kindly do subscribe the channel, like and share with your friends. We are looking at the latest pattern of UGC NET Paper 1, right? We are looking at the latest pattern, not the old questions. We are looking with the latest pattern. So, and also we are practicing to do it fast. Okay, yeah, it's no need of zoom. If you have it in the landscape mode, it will be okay. I think so. In mobile phone. Yes. Good evening, Nagalakshmi. Option C. Directly option C. Sita Lakshmi, directly option C. So fast, but the answer is wrong. Answer is wrong. Okay. Okay, shall we start doing? Okay. See, read the question. The following table shows the percentage distribution of 5 different models of AE, model A to E of mobile phones produced by the companies during the years 2021 and 2022. The total number of mobile phones produced by the company in 21 and 22 is 4,50,000, and in 2022 they produced 5,20,000. Very simple question. And they have given the distribution of mobile phones A, B, C, D, E over the years, models over the years 21 and 22. It means what? This 2021 has produced 4,50,000 mobile phones, and this 2022 they have produced 5,20,000 mobile phones. Yes. Let me go to the question. If a number of model A mobile phones produced by company in 2022 was the same as that in 2021, okay, then what would have been the approximate percentage share in the total production of 2022? What they are asking in the question is, if a number of model A mobile phones produced by company in 2022, yes, what is 2022? That is 10%, right? Yes, is equal to same as that of 2021, then what would have been the approximate percentage share in the total production of 2022 is the question. So first what we have to find out is, the total number of phones produced by the company in 2021, it's 4,50,000. In 2022 is 5,20,000. What they have asked, the model A, percentage of model A phone in 2021, okay, because they have said both are said to be the same. So in 2021 is equal to 15 by 100 of 4,50,000. Okay, this will give you one value, and now we are going to say that would have been the approximate percentage share in the total production of 2022. So we have to talk about with the 2022 production of mobile phone A. What will be the method? So first we have to find out the percentage of model A phone in 2021. How many mobile phones has been produced in 2021? So when I calculate this, I will be getting 0 0 cancel, 2 zeros. When I multiply, I will be getting 67,500. 67,500 is the number of mobile phones produced by A in the year 2021. They are telling they both are equal. Which one are equal? The A in 2021 is equal to the A in 2022. So now what they have asked is, what would be the percentage share in the total production of 2022? What is the production of 2022? It is 5,20,000. So we have to say what is the production, what is the percentage share this 67,500 contributes in this. Sorry. 1 minute. Sorry. So we have to find out what is the percentage share in the total production of 2022. Which share? This 67,500 in this 5,20,000. So we have to find out the percentage share in the total production of 2022. Share of A. Okay, right. What will come? 67,500 divided by 5,20,000 into 100. Yes. Find out what is the value. 67,500 is the number of mobile phones produced by model A in the year 2021. Yamini? Very good, Kishori, you have done fast. Hope you have understood the question first. If the number of Model A mobile phones produced by company in 2022, okay, 2022 was the same as that in of 2021, then what would be the approximate percentage share in the total production of 2022? That's why we have found out the A number of mobile phones A in 2021 and then we compared with 2022. Yes. Make it fast. We have much more things to do. So as fast we do, we'll be. Yes, it is 12.9. So whenever they have given approximate percentage, don't worry, don't get panic. The number is not cancelling out. Don't worry. If they give approximate percentage, definitely the answer that you have got will be in decimal. Okay, that you have got will be in decimal. So what we have to do is we have to make it round off. Check the question, the nearby value. Here the percentage will come as 12.9 percentage. The nearby percentage will be what? 13. Whenever we do rounding off, whenever do percentage, do with a decimal. See, if it is 12.4 means we will be doing 12. If it is 12.4 means we will be doing as 12. If it is 12.9 we will be doing 30. Yes, it's not 12 Lalit, it is 12.9. So we will be going to the highermost, it is 30. Yes, very good. Right? Clear? Yes. Shall we go to the next problem? Yes, now we go to the next problem. Same table, okay? I hope you have the same table. Note the question. I will give you some timing. Let me check how much time you do this problem. I will give you 2 minutes. Exact 2 minutes. I will be counting the time. Okay? I will be giving you 2 minutes from this time. Let me check how many of you are doing this problem. Your time starts now. Read the question. Fast. I need answer. 2 minutes. Let me check how many of you are doing in 2 minutes time. Ratio of number of mobile phones of mobile CDE. Mobile phones CDE. CDE in the year 2022. We have to find out the first one. Second one, mobile phones BCD. Very good, Ammu. But the answer is wrong. Answer is wrong. Ma'am, you only asked me to give the answer first so that I gave you wrong answer. No. Yes, find out. What is CDE? I think 2 minutes over. No, 1 minute more. CDE 2022. CDE 2022. What is the model number of mobile phones? CDE. That is 60% of 5,20,000. BCD. BCD. So that is 65% of 4,50,000. Right? Yes. Okay. Cancel it out. Easy, easy, easy. When I multiply, what will come? You are taking so much of time. 0, 0. 12 carry 1. 31,200. Similarly, when I cancel this cancel. So 0, 0. So 65 into 45. And one more 0 will come. 3 zeros. It gives me 2925. Strike 1 0. Yes. Have you got it? Vanita Cherian, why wrong? Focus. Whenever you do DI, right? Very, very focused. Very, very focused. I'll show you one thing. Wait. I'll show you one thing. Very good, very good. 292500. Very good, very good. Okay, actually this is my DI note. During my time of exam preparation, after getting up in the morning, my first duty is to do DI. Okay, how much time I consume? Some problems will take 25 minutes. Okay, some problem will take 25 minutes. Some problem will be done. Very good, Rohit. Rohit is right. 16:15. Some problem will take 20 minutes. Some problem will take 15 minutes. Some will take 7 minutes. Some will take 35-40 minutes. Depends upon the problem. Okay, in examination, see, whenever the DI is difficult, it is not only difficult for you, for all the students who are attempting will be difficult. Only for very few it will be easy, right? But majority it will be difficult. Whenever a problem is easy for everybody, probably many of them it will be easy, right? So if it is difficult means no problem, because everybody is facing the difficulty level. But if it is easy, and in that easy, if you do mistake, then it will be a a big drawback to you. Yes, for that we need more practice. We need more practice. I have told you, for this we need to understand the question, we need to be clear with ratio concept, percentage concept, average concept. We need to be very much clear. In our videos, in our starting DIs, we have posted all these things. If you are new to this channel, please kindly go through the DIs which I have posted before. Yes, very good. So when I do ratio, I cancel it out. I cancel 2 zeros, I cancel 2 zeros, and when I cancel out with the tables, I will be getting 16:15. We should not sum the altogether, ma'am, and find ratio. We should not sum the altogether. No. Not summing up for ratio. It is dividing, right? Ratio means dividing. Okay, right. Next problem. Say I gave you this problem at 8:47. Now the time is 8:52. 5 minutes. I hope when you do it individually, you will do it fast. I hope so. Next question. If the 85% of the number of Model E mobile phones produced by the company during 2021 and 2022 were sold, then how many Model E, okay, Model E phones are left unsold by the company? I read the question again. If 85% of the number of Model E phones produced by company during 21 and 22 were sold, then how many Model E phones are left unsold? What we have to do? We have to find out this 20% first. Yes, we have to find out this 20% first, and then we have to find out this 10%. What will be the answer? So when I cancel it out, 0 0 0 cancel, 1 2 3 zeros, 2 into 45, it is 90. So 2021 Model E phones produced is 90,000. 2022 Model E phones produced are nothing but 52,000. Okay, right. They have asked, so out of this Model E phones, what is the total number? It is 1,42,000 is the total number of mobile phones produced in these 2 years. Out of this, 85% were sold. You have to find out the unsold. How you will find out? I will not tell. Find out. Fast. Fast. Kindly do like. Very good, Seetal. Very good. We have logical reasoning questions, so kindly do it fast. Very good. I'm getting answers. B. Lakshmi Priya, Rohit, Revati, Gomati, Rohit Sarkar. Very good. Rohit Sarkar, it is 21,300. Yeah, right. Madhumita. Yes, Yamini, it's right. Just we have to find out the 15%. 15 divided by 100 into 1,42,000. When I cancel it out, do it. 0, carry 3, 6, 3, carry 6, it's 21. Yes. Why, Seetal, it's not 29,100, it's 21,300. Take care of the multiplication. Yes, Divya, Lekha, Lalit, yes. You got it? Yes. Very good, very good. Yes. Be careful whenever you note down the number, when you take the numbers from the question, it's very must. Yes. Yes. Yes, Seetal. We have to minus it. So, what I am going to do is, now the time is 9 o'clock. So, I am giving you the rest of the problems as homework. I am going to a quick revision on logical reasoning which I have taught you. Right. Ma'am, I am wrong. It's 15 by 100 into 1,42,000. What you did wrong, Gomati? Yes, 85 by 100 into 1,42,000 will giving you the sold mobiles. That way also you can do, but it will take one more step. One step more. See, 85 by 100 into 1,42,000 will gives you mobiles sold. Right? Mobiles sold. What we have to do is we have to subtract. That is the thing that we have to do. 142 into 85. 0 carry 1, 1 carry 2, 7, 16 carry 1, 2, 3, 11, 0, 7, 0, 1, 2, 1. Okay. So, we have to subtract this number with this number. This is unnecessary subtraction which comes here, which will confuses you. Yes. You will also get the same answer, Gomati, but we will be having an extra step. I have found it 85%, then I have to minus. Yes, if you minus, subtract it from this value, we will be getting the same 21,300. But yes, this is one step more, it takes time. For simply we can subtract, this is only one step, see. This is only one step. See, here we are doing 1 and 2 steps right there. Yes. Yes, Sita Lakshmi, correct. That's why it take time. Clear? Yes. Good. So, the remaining question, this one and this one. 2 questions I have given you as homework. You can do it. This question is using the percentage formula. Okay, percentage formula. We can check with the percentage problem which we have done before, which is there in the playlist. You can check it out. And this is very, very simple. This will not take more than 2 minutes. You can put your timer on and you can do it. Okay. Okay, you can put your timer on, you can do it. 2 minutes, it will not take more than that. Very simple problem. Okay, if you are good with the formula, this also we can do it by 3 minutes. Again, I am telling you, whenever you do your DI, tell your mind that you can do it. Only if you tell that you can do it, it will do, or else it will not do. Okay, right. So, we now will move to the logical reasoning, very quick revision. So take your notes which you have taken before, so that will quickly you will be revising things with an example problem. Okay, with an example PYQs. Okay, yes, right? Yes. So first we start with what? Square of a position. Okay, ma'am, we will try. Yes, Komati, very good. No problem, questions will be there in the YouTube, right? After completing the classes, you can take down the question. See that. Questions are there, don't worry. This YouTube, the video will be there in the video, in the YouTube. After the class, you can note down the questions, no problem. Now we will go to logical reasoning. Yes. 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 Okay. Yes, we can take. Yes. So today next we'll start a quick revision of all the concepts that we have discussed so far in the logical reasoning. So first one will be a square of a position. Square of a position, you have to be clear with A, E, I, O concept. Okay. Take your notebooks, take your notes which you have written. I'll be going in a 1.5x speed. Okay. I'll be going in the speed of 1.5x speed. Come with my speed. Hence, we give a quick revision. So A, E, I, O is the four types of proposition, and here we have to do it like this. And these two statements we call it as what? These are positive statements and these two are negative statements. These two are particular statements and these two are universal statements. These two are universal statements. These two are contradictory statements. Who are contradictory? A, O and E, I are contradictory statements, and A, E are contrary, I, O are subcontrary. A, I are subaltern, E, O are subaltern. Okay, right. Yes. A, O and E, I. These two are what? Contradictory. This is quick revision of what we have discussed so far. A and E are contrary. I and O are subcontrary. Subcontrary. A, I and E, O are what? Subaltern. Subaltern. Yes, right, subaltern. And then we have to see what is positive, negative. A and I are positive, E and O are negative. And what is quality, what is quantity? The positive and negative we call it as what? The positive and negative we call it as quality. We call it as quality. The universal and particular we call it as quantity. Yes, clear? We call it as quantity. Similarly, we have for distribution. Okay, we have for distribution A, E, I and O. What about the distribution? Here what is distributed? Subject is distributed. Here what is distributed? Subject and predicate is distributed. What about I? Nil. Nothing is distributed. What about here? Predicate is distributed. This is all about our distribution. This is about our distribution. Yes, clear? Yes, very good. Very good. See how whatever you can remember in whatever way you can remember. Mnemonics is all up to. We can have some general things, but every individual have some tricks to remember something, right? See, I will remember this contrary as the CT. CET, contrary, all it cannot be true together. So each one will have their can set their own mnemonics to remember. So these are the basics of square of opposition, and one step more is this undetermined concept. One step more is the undetermined concept. Okay, right. So contrary, these two statements cannot be true together. Whenever the A is true, E cannot be true together. But whenever it is false, this will be what? Undetermined. When it is false, it will be undetermined. Okay, right. So again the same, when I come from this E type sentence, whenever it is true, this will be false. But whenever it is false, this is undetermined. Right. Okay. Next goes to a contradictory. Very easy is contradictory. A, O and E, I. Whenever it is true, this is false. Whenever it is false, it is true. Similarly for E and I. Whenever it is true, it is false. Whenever it is false, it is true. Contradictory, very easy. And similarly for A, I and E, O, subaltern. Whenever it comes from top to bottom, it is what? When it starts from true, the bottom will also be true. Whenever it is false, the bottom will be undetermined. Similarly, when I come from down, whenever it is true in the I-type sentences, the A-type sentences will be undetermined. Whenever the I-type sentences is false, the A-type sentence will be false. Same this type will be applied to the E-O-type sentences. Okay, this will be applied to the E-O-type sentences. Sub-contrary. What is sub-contrary? They cannot be false together. They cannot be false together. At a time, they cannot be false together. So, what does it mean? When it is F means definitely it will be true. Whenever it is F means definitely it will be true. But whenever it is true, this is undetermined. Whenever it is true, this is undetermined. Yes, clear? Yes. The basics of square of opposition. Clear? Single diagram, all the concepts over. Yes. One 1.5x speed. Yes, response. I'm waiting for your response so that we'll go for the next question. Yes, clear, clear, clear. Meenakshi, Jivita, Seetal, Komati. Yes, very good. We'll go with the example. One problem. Yes, yes. Do this problem. Do this problem. Do this problem. Do this problem. Very good. Yes, do this problem. What we have to do? We have to note this point. No S is P is given as false. What type of sentence it is? This is E type of sentence. A, E. So here they have told this is a false sentence. This is a false sentence. Then which could be inferred? Which could be inferred? So whenever it is false means what about the I type sentence? What about the O type sentence? What about the A type sentence? That we have to know. Simple. Yes. So first of all always try with the I type sentence is there or not. Whenever no S is P is false means what about that some S is P? What about some S is P? This will always be what? True. Find out. Here it is one. Tick. So D will be the answer. Check where all we have D. For your good luck, all the options has D. Okay, we have to go with the next one. Whenever this is false, what about the A type sentences? Whenever this is false, this will be definitely true. That is, all S is P is true should be there. Is there all SP, SSP is true? No, all SP is undetermined is there. It is not possible. Strike. So what you have to do is, sorry, 1 minute. I'm sorry. 1 minute. Yes, okay, so what we have to do next? Yes, next what you have to do? Whenever it is false, what about the A type sentences? Whenever it is false, it is undetermined. So right, so B. Very good. I'm getting answers. Niveta, Anand, Nasri, Lekha, Jivita, Vanita, Chedian. Very good. What about what other sentence? Some S is not P is true. Some S is not P is true will not come because when it is false, what will be the down one? Whenever it is false, the down one is what? Whenever it falls, down one will be undetermined. So this will not come. Where is A option? A cancel. So we have to find out with the C and E. Okay, C. Some S is not P is undetermined. Yes, it is that. So answer is easy. Yes. A type is what? See the diagram. Whenever it is false, this is undetermined. See that. All should be false now. All should be undetermined. Yes, I have shown you the diagram. Yes. Good. Very good. Lakshmi Priya, Kishori, Nandini, Pritika, Dipti, Lekha, very good. Bhavani, SHR, very good. Very good. Yes. Shall we go to the next question? Yes. Next question. So this is one question from square of opposition I have given you. Okay. Right. Next question. What is this? This is from classical Indian logic. In Indian logic, what we have studied? We have studied 6 pramanas. What are all the pramanas? Perception, quick revision, double X speed. Perception, Anumana, Upamana, Arthapati, Anuplabdi and Shabda. Yes, Yes. Shabda. What is perception? Whatever we do through our sense organs, we call it as perception. What is Anumana? This is second form of getting knowledge, right? We infer something from whatever we had gained through our sense organs. This is Anumana. What is Upamana? Upamana is nothing but comparison. Comparison of two things. What is Arthapati? Arthapati is nothing but assumption. Assumption or postulating things. Assumption or postulation. Short notes that teacher can take it down. Anuplabdhi means what? Non-existence of things. The thing will not be there. Will be describing. Shabda means what? The verbal testimony. Verbal testimony through words. We trust people through their words. Will we trust everybody's word? No, we will trust our the spiritual. We will trust the parents, right? So that we call it as a Shabda Pramana. 6 Pramanas. What is the question given? The argument that the fanned saint must be eating secretly at night, although he does not eat during the day and claims not to eat all, is based on which of the following means of knowledge? Very good postulation. Very good. Very good. All are giving answers. The answer is postulations. The 6 Pramanas, don't forget, and each Pramanas we have to go with the categories. Okay. Yes. So with respect to Anumana, it is a separate chapter we will be discussing in the upcoming classes, or in the app we will be doing with the PYQs. Okay, right, very good. Next comes to fallacy. Very important, interesting topic, most widely asked one. Fallacy. Fallacy. We discussed, is it fallacy or formal fallacy or informal fallacy? Yeah, usually Devadatta will come. This time Devadatta is given to some other person. Yes, Seethal. Kindly do like the session. Only 5. Okay. No need. It's your wish. Next, we'll go to the next problem. Fallacy, in which a proposition is held to be true just because it has not been proved false, or false just because it has not been proved true, is called what? Yes, very good, very good. Argument from ignorance, very good. What do you mean by fallacy of composition? What do you mean by fallacy of composition? What do you mean by fallacy of composition? Fallacy of composition. Yes. It's Pritika, it is informal fallacy, Pritika. So fallacy of composition means there are parts of things and which I apply for the whole team. The individual players are very strong. I'll say Indian team is very strong. No, we can't say. Anything can happen, right? The individual players may be strong. The whole team cannot be said strong. As a whole, it cannot be a strong thing. Next one, irrelevant conclusion. Giving irrelevant conclusion, right? It is a second one, irrelevant conclusion. Irrelevant conclusion fallacy. Yes, very good, very good. Do it. Parts to full, yes. Yes, very good. Yamini, irrelevant conclusion means giving a false conclusion. Okay, giving a false conclusion. Even though the premises are said to be true, when we give a false conclusion, and that we call it as what? Irrelevant conclusion. We call it as a irrelevant conclusion. Why confused, Pritika? Formal means what? I have told you before. Formal means, wait, I'll write it down. Premises are true, but the conclusion will be false. they have made a false conclusion, that is irrelevant conclusion. Um, Formal fallacy means everything done formal, yes, formal. So whenever there is a problem with the structure, then we call it as formal fallacy. That is premise 1, premise 2, conclusion. This should have a major premise, this should have a minor premise. Okay, this should have the minor and the major. This is the placement, minor and the major, and in both the things we should have what? Middle term. So whenever there is a change in this structure, then we will call it as the formal fallacy. Informal fallacy means what? Informal fallacy means whenever there is a problem with the content. Whenever there is a problem with the content, then we call it as the informal fallacy. Consider one person predicting the whole. Hasty generalization means what? One boy would have done a mistake at the age of 18. Then some people will say all the people of this 18 years will do mistake. Then we call hasty generalization. Yes, it's converse accident. Yes. Kindly go through the fallacy video so that you'll getting all the things easier. Go through, give your mind again and again the same thing. Yes, you will understand. Whenever you are free, just play the video, put the headphone, listen to it carefully, you will understand. So that we might get all the things. Next problem. Yes, very good. Which of the following is true regarding the inductive argument? Inductive argument is wrong activity thing. Yes, right. Next question, which of the following is true regarding the inductive argument? Yes. Is the class going interesting or feeling bored? Yes. Appeal to authorities with advertisements. With the authority, they will say they will do something. That is appeal to authority. Yes. Read the question properly. Inductive. Rohit, you are right. It is inductive argument. It is not deductive. It is inductive. It is not deductive. It is inductive. All are doing mistakes. It is inductive. What is this? It is inductive argument. Read the question properly and do it. Again I am telling, why hurry? Yes, probability is there. Exactly, Lekha. Right. Exactly right. Very good. Don't do mistake. This is what I used to say. Some simple questions we will do mistake means it's very bad. Yes, now we are all giving right answers. Now we all are giving right answers. See this one? Yes, Sita Lakshmi. Argument we have deductive and inductive argument. Deductive means what? General to specific. I will be moving. Whenever I move from general to specific, the arguments will be valid arguments, right? When it will be valid means what? When all the premises are true, when it or they can say the premises follows When the premises are true, the conclusion, right, it must be true. This is one case. We saw some 3 different cases. You remember? We discussed 3 different cases. Yes? Yes, particular to general. We can't judge. That's a probability. Right? The valid arguments can be sound or unsound. When it is sound, whenever the premises are true, the conclusion necessarily must be true. Then we say it's a valid, sound argument. If not, it is an unsound argument, right? Deductive, invalid. Invalid means what? There will be a problem with the structure. Though the structure is right, the meaning will be wrong. That is invalid. And that we call it as what? Unsound. What is argument? Inductive. Inductive arguments means it moves from specific to general. It moves from specific to general. Yes, so here we say it's a strong argument, it's a weak argument. In strong, we say cogent and uncogent. What do you mean by cogent? The argument will be strong and all the premises are true, then we say it is a cogent argument. We say it's a cogent argument. Right? Remember? Yes, you have to remember the validity, you have to remember the soundness, right? This we had discussed in the last class. Please kindly go through the video again with respect to the reasoning part. Okay, right? So the answer for this question is, it claims to support its conclusion only with some degree of probability. They have clearly given the keyword, degree of probability. Right? The first one will be the deductive argument. It claims to support conclusion part. It's conclusively conclusion. This is also deductive. Conclusion is completely contained already in the premises. Again, it is deductive. Right? Clear? Yes. Next question. Next question from formal fallacy. We discussed informal. Now we move to formal fallacy. So under formal fallacy, hope you know how to identify the formal fallacy. What do you mean by a formal fallacy? What do you mean by a formal fallacy? Whenever there is an error with respect to the structure, we say it is a formal fallacy. Ma'am, what is the structure, ma'am? We should have the categorical proposition should have these 3 things. Premise 1, premise 2 and conclusion. Premise 1 should have the major term and this we call it as major premise. It should have the minor term and that we call it as minor premise. And in conclusion we should have the minor in the subject term and the major in the predicate term. Yes, right. And here in both the terms we will be having the middle terms. Yes, yes. In the both the term we will be having the middle terms. Okay, so whenever we are asked to find out the formal fallacy in argument, first what we have to do, we have to find out the type of proposition. This is A type proposition, this is E type proposition, this is E type proposition. Can you anyone list the types of proposition, type of formal fallacies? Can anyone list the types of formal fallacies in the chat box? Faster, one by one, 2. Yes. Anyone can list down the fallacies? Undistributed middle, yes. Undistributed middle. Illicit major, illicit minor. Remember, fast. We have to, you just take your notes. It is enough just to go through the words which I am telling you so that you will be understanding. Exclusive premises. Exclusive premises. What is the fourth one? A negative premise. Negative premise requires a negative conclusion. Similarly, a positive premise requires a positive conclusion. Right? And fifth one, very good, very good. Kindly go through so that you will remember. Take your notebook and just make a, just turn your papers, then you will understand. The next one, existential fallacy. Existential fallacy. Yes, these are the different types of fallacies. Yes, yes. Undistributed, Vanita, very good Vanita. Undistributed, illicit major, illicit minus. Existential, very good. Exclusive, yes. A negative premise requires a negative conclusion. Positive premise requires a positive conclusion. Very good, very good. So find out for this one. Find out for this one. I have found out the type of proposition. A type, E type, E type. We have to talk about the distribution. What about the distribution in the A-type sentence? Subject will be distributed. E-type, subject and predicate will be distributed. In our first sentence, all athletes are sportsmen. What is the middle term? Middle term is the athlete. Athlete is the middle term. Who is the major term? Sports person is the major term. Okay. Actor is the minor term. So what we have to do? We have to find out whether it is a major illicit is there or not. We have to find out how the major term should be there in the distributed in the major premise. So sports person is the major term. We have to check whether it is distributed in the major premise. Unfortunately, here the subject athlete is distributed, not the sports person. So very simple. The first option is the right answer. Very good. Good. Very good. Dipti, Jivita, Seetal, Rohit, Nasreen, Anand. Very good. It's illicit major, Nasreen. It's not minor. It's major. Very good. Divya. Hope you can recollect the topics. Are you able to recall the topics which we discussed? If you are able to recall, then it's very good. Yes? Okay, very good. Fine. Very good. So similarly, I have given another question. Okay, you checked out this question. Okay, you check out this question and find out what is the fallacy. Don't look at the answer, right? Practice whether you can able to do or not. Check it out. Yes, okay. Rohit, Seetal, Revati, you can able to recall. Very good. Next we move to schools of philosophy. Revision is really very important. The most important parameter that we require is revision. We can learn so many times, so many materials, so many sources. We will be learning. Only learning will not give you anything. Practicing revision, putting it again and again will make it clear. Okay. Next we move to schools of Indian philosophical schools. What are the Indian philosophical schools? Again I go for a small diagram. Why I'm struggling with the spelling nowadays. SOPHY. Philosophical schools. So philosophicals, we have two types of schools. One is orthodox, another one is heterodox. Yes. So orthodox schools, who are the things? Who will come? Nyaya. Okay. Nyaya, Vaisheshika. I write in short. Okay. Yoga, Samkhya, Mimamsa and Vedanta. Yes. Go with the next question. Very good. Similarly, heterodox schools. Who are the heterodox schools? JCB, Jainism, Charaka and Buddhism. Know with the names, founder, all the things. Here the question. Anumana has been accepted as the independent source of valid knowledge. Which of the schools? Nyaya philosophy accepts what? IPSC. Vaishika, IP. Yoga, IP. Samkhya. What about Samkhya? IPS. These two accepts all the 6 pramanas. What about JCB? What about Jainism? Jainism accepts what? IPS. C accepts only perception. Only the perception. Yes. Buddhist accepts what? IP. Answer. Very good. Buddhist. A, B, D, E. Very good. Good. Very good. Clear? Yes, yoga IPS. Yes. Except Chavaka, all except Sanumana. Very good. Can you able to recall? So what is the next? What is the next level of understanding is? Next level of learning is learning in detail about Nyaya, Charaka, Mimamsa, Advaita and all, we have to learn one step deeper. That is the next level of learning. Yes, very good, super, good, good. A, B, D, E. Okay. Yes, clear? Okay. So with this question, I stop today. Hope you are all clear with the concepts which we have learned so far. Okay, I given you a quick revision. So with this revision, we can go to the next level in the upcoming PYQ sessions, which will be going to look forward. And from next Monday onwards, I will be taking you on the topic higher education. Okay, higher education. We'll be looking after higher education. Yes, clear? Clear? Yes. Okay, I need a suggestion from you. What is your suggestion of app, coming to app? What will be a preferable time? Okay. So coming into app is mainly meant for you people. If you give me a good support of coming into app means I'll be very happy to take class, not class, PYQ class in app. So I would like to have your response of those who are ready to come to app to attend the live sessions, paid course session. So if you are ready with those things, so that we will start with PYQs also. Timing this 8:30, 9:30 definitely will be there in the slot. 8:30, 9:30 definitely there will be in the slot. Either it will be a YouTube or it will be app. Okay. Yes. Yes, Gomati. Yeah, right. Morning 78 bit difficult is because working women, right? So working women, no problem. I have to make my daughters to get ready to school, right? That's the reason. So YouTube or app this time will be fixed. If you move to app, then we'll be going with poll options. We can discuss, we can chat. Okay, all these things we can do it. So you can kindly suggest me of these things so that I'll be convenient whether to go. I have to decide. So of your response only, the app it's going to be preferred. So kindly let me know. Yes, Niveta. Okay, Niveta. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Okay. So kindly post your timings here. Don't change YouTube timing, ma'am. Okay. 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 Okay, I hope it's clear. So we will discuss. If you want anything to be done, put it in the group or in the chat box or in the comment section, so that I'll be making a decision. Yes, thank you so much. Have a nice weekend. We will meet back on Monday with higher education. Clear? We'll be meeting you back on YouTube again on Monday with higher education topics. Higher education okay, right? Higher education okay, right? Okay, Kishori, I will just consider all the timings and will discuss and let you know. Yes. Okay. Go through the older videos, check, recall, put it in 1.5 or 1.75x speed. Go through all the concepts, get it down, get it clear. Okay, right? Yes, yes. Very good. Thank you so much. Chivita, next after higher education, we will be getting into mathematical reasoning. Don't worry. Next, we'll go to mathematical reasoning. Okay. Tata, bye. Good night. Have a nice weekend.